Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable newly introduced feature point in time restore on your Windows 11 system. To enable this, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to system settings. Previously system restore point is now replaced with point in time restore. Go to system from the left side and thereafter go to right side, and here you will find the option recovery. Click on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option point in time restore, view or edit. Turn on and manage restore points to recover your PC to an earlier point in time. Click on view or edit. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes, and here you will find turn the toggle button on to enable point in time restore. If point in time restore is on your PC, will save restored points to revert back to, and this is restore point disk uses, current uses 3.5 GB, and this portion restore point frequency and restore point retention is grayed out. You can't edit it, and you can maximum use, you can set by dragging the slide to maximum uses. And current restore point you will see 10 July 2026 9:45. Now your computer will be revert back to this point after each 24 hours. So this is a newly introduced feature by Windows 11, and previously you were using system restore point to restore your system to the previous state.